Now, dear student, today we will solve some numericals. Okay, we will solve our in-text questions of our NCERT book. You can go to your NCERT book, page number 109 to 110. For solving these in-text question, we should remember all three equations of motions, which are v equal to u plus at. As I already discussed about importance of these three equations, without these equations we cannot solve any numerical of this chapter. Okay, you should remember this thing. So first equation of motion is v equal to u plus at. Second one is s equal to ut plus half at square, and third one is v square equal to or v square minus u square equal to 2as. I already discussed about the importance of these three equations of motion in my previous video. So remember these three equations of motion, and now we will apply these equation of motion through these numericals. Okay, now look at our first numerical. A bus is starting from rest. It means that at starting bus is not moving, it is in rest condition, and after that it moves with a uniform acceleration, this one. Now we have acceleration for 2 minutes. Find the speed acquired and the distance traveled. Okay, now we know that you should remember one thing. If at first bus in rest, or if at first body is in rest condition, it means that its initial velocity is 0. Okay, in this question a body is at rest at first, it means that its initial velocity is 0. Okay, after time 2 minute, so we have t equal to 2 minute. We will convert minute into second. Okay, we can convert it minute into second. 2 minute equal to 120 second. Then we have acceleration 0.1 meter per second square. So we have acceleration also, that is 0.1 meter per second square u. So we have three things in this question: u, a and t. And it's asking about speed acquired. It means that we have to find a value of v in this question. So at first we will use that formula in which we have u, a, t and v. So we will apply our first equation. We can get our answer from first equation. We have to apply this equation v equal to u plus at and put all the value. U equal to 0, a equal to 0.1, t equal to 120. After solving this we will get 12 meter per second. So speed acquired is 12 meter per second. Okay, now b part, we have to determine also distance traveled. For distance we have second or third equation we can use. From third equation we can find the value of s equal to ut plus half at square, and we have all these values. We will put these values here and we will get our answer. Okay, so we should know how to use formula in our question. We should remember equation of motion, and directly we will apply these equation of motion and we will get our answer. No problem in this. Okay, now move to second question. A train is traveling at a speed. Okay, at first train is traveling, it means that initial velocity is 90, but this is 90 kilometer per hour. This is not SI unit. You should remember this thing. SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, at first we will convert this one into meter per second. ओके, वी हैव u इक्वल टू 90 किलोमीटर. ब्रेक्स आर अप्लाइड. अब जब भी ब्रेक अप्लाई होता है तो गाड़ी बाद में रुक जाएगी. ठीक है, ब्रेक्स आर अप्लाइड सो एज टू प्रोड्यूस ए यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ नेगेटिव. सीधी बात है, ब्रेक अगर लगेगा तो स्पीड कम होगी. 90 है, 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर, तो ब्रेक लगाने के बाद स्पीड कम होगी, तो एक्सेलरेशन जो होगा वो पॉजिटिव ना होकर क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा. यानी रिटार्डेशन ए जो होगा, एक्सेलरेशन जो होगा वो कितना होगा, -0.5. एंड ये हमारी एसआई यूनिट में दे रखा है, यूनिट को हमने चेंज नहीं करना है. फाइंड हाउ फार द ट्रेन विल गो बिफोर इट इज़ ब्रॉट टू रेस्ट. यानी हमने एस निकालना है कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट और डिस्टेंस वो कवर करेगा जब तक वो रेस्ट पे नहीं आता. अगर वो रेस्ट में जब आ जाएगा तो उसकी वेलोसिटी उस टाइम पे कितनी हो जाएगी, दैट इज़ फाइनल वेलोसिटी. फाइनल वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी, 0. ठीक है, remember this thing. In this question we have acceleration that is -0.5 meter per second square, and we have v equal to 0. Okay, and we have u कितना है, 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर. So at first we will convert this u into meter per second. we have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, because we will convert all physical quantity unit into SI units. So how can we convert kilometer per hour into meter per second? Look at here, we can write, okay, you can do directly, don't do this is so lengthy. You can do one thing, 90 into 5 upon 8 multiply by 5 upon 8 number. Okay, if you will multiply by 5 upon 8 number, you will directly convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, now this number, where does it come from? 5 upon 8. This is a very important point. Look at here, kilometer per hour. For converting it into meter per second, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Kilometer is converted into meter. For hour, 1 hour में कितना सेकेंड होता है? That is 3600 होता है. If we will solve this one, then it will come 5 upon 18. You can directly multiply by this number 5 upon 18 to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, so we have initial velocity 25 meter per second, we have acceleration, we have v, then we can apply our formula v equal to u plus 80 and we will get our answer t equal to 50 second. Okay dear, so in this question we have to find how far the train will go. Okay, it means that we have to find s. So we can use second equation or third equation. Okay, by using second or third equation we will get s. तो हमारे पास सेकेंड इक्वेशन होता है s इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. सो हम ये सारी वैल्यू यहाँ पे रख देंगे और हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. ठीक है, डायरेक्ट हमने वैल्यूज़ रखनी है और हमारा आंसर निकल के आ जाता है. और अगर हमको v निकालना है इस क्वेश्चन में, तो हम v इक्वल टू यू प्लस ए टी करके फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे एंड वी विल गेट अवर आंसर. नाउ मूव टू थर्ड क्वेश्चन. A trolley while going down an inclined plane, it has an acceleration. We have acceleration a equal to 2 centimeter per second square. Okay, what will be its velocity 3 second after the start? After जब भी मैंने बोला अगर स्टार्ट है तो इट मीन्स दैट इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कितना है इसका, 0 है. अब हमने इसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी निकालनी है. ठीक है, 3 सेकेंड के बाद उसकी वेलोसिटी कितनी हो जाएगी. सो वी हैव ऑल द वैल्यू, वी विल डायरेक्टली यूज दिस फार्मूला v इक्वल टू यू प्लस ए टी and we will get our answer. Okay, but this formula is in this unit is centimeter per second. We can convert it into meter per second. Okay, लेकिन कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हम सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड में भी इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं. नाउ मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सेम थिंग है. A racing car has a uniform acceleration. It means that acceleration is given. What distance will it cover? Okay, we have to find s in 10 second. Time is 10 second after start. After start means u equal to 0. Okay, so I will use this formula and we will get our answer as equal to ut plus half a t square and we will get our answer like it. Okay, now another question. A stone is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity of this. Okay, it means that we are throwing a ball and its initial velocity is 5 meter per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion is 10 meter per second square in the downward direction, it means that we have acceleration also 10 meter. But it will be positive or negative. When we throw any ball from ground in a vertical direction, then 100% its velocity will decrease. It will not increase. Okay, if we are throwing any ball and its velocity is decreasing, it means that its acceleration is negative. If we are throwing any ball and its speed is increasing, it means that its acceleration is positive. Okay, so acceleration is negative in this case. A equal to minus 10 meter per second square. What will be the height attained? Okay, it means that we have to find s in this question. What will be height attained by the stone and how much time will it take to reach there? और कितना टाइम वो उस हाइट तक पहुंचने में लगाएगा, ये हमने निकालना है. तो इन हमारे पास u है, a है और v है. ठीक है, अब v सीधी सी बात है, जब ये हाइस्ट पॉइंट पर अपने होगा तो इस टाइम पे इसकी ऊपर जाने वाली वेलोसिटी कितनी हो जाएगी, 0 हो जाएगी. तो यहाँ से जब ये ऊपर जा रहा है इस पॉइंट पे हम इसकी वेलोसिटी कितनी ले लेंगे, v कितना ले लेंगे, 0. तो हमने सबसे पहले ये निकालना है कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक उसको कितना टाइम लगा. देन वी कैन यूज अवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. In this equation v equal to 0, u we have given 5 meter per second, a minus 10, so we can find a t. So t is 0.5 second after solving this. Okay, now we can find also कि उसने कितना डिस्टेंस रीच किया. So we will apply our second equation, that is s equal to ut plus half at square. Then we will put all the values here and we will get our answer. Okay, so solve these questions, try. Then if you will face any problem, then talk to me about this thing. Thank you very much.